welcome back to another video. Today the weather is not the best, it's a bit cloudy and all that, but just thought we'd let the pigeons out for a bit of a peck around in the rain. So yeah, stay tuned, you'll see them have a bath in the rain, which is pretty cool. You guys are chilling. Where do you think you're going? You want to be a part of the flying loft and get eaten by a hawk? If you want to, get in there. Go. Trap. And that's not your loft. Good boy, Rocket. You're a good pigeon, aren't you? These guys are so nice. Come here. This is one of our better colours we have. Yeah, his name's Cheeky. Super nice pigeon. He comes big dairy. He's super friendly as well. I'll get you guys some more food. Hold on. Dairy. You gonna come? Nice range of colours over here. Let's follow them, shall we? What are you guys up to? You had a bit of a bath, didn't you? Yeah. You guys love to have a peek around. And you guys are a bit jealous, aren't you? Yeah. Except this big fella, Rocket over here. He's a cheeky pigeon. He never showers, never takes a bath. Yet he's so fit and clean. I don't know, man. He never. No matter if we give them a bath, he doesn't go in. He's a cheeky pigeon. You got a bit of a. Yeah. You like that, don't you? Down here, we got our breeders over here who are a bit jealous. Thank you guys for watching another video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment for more videos like this one. Thank you.